Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video we are going to be having a look at KASH Beauty. This only came in like a couple of days ago. For anybody who doesn't know, KASH Beauty is actually Keilidh Mua's makeup brand. It literally just released like a week ago or something like that. So this is the Secret Treasure collection. I bought this when it was just the collection you could buy. It was there and I was like, what the heck, why not? She's a fantastic YouTuber, a great makeup artist. So I thought, why not just get the whole collection and see what it's all about. So if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's dig in, shall we? Okay, so she came out with 3 different styles of eyelashes, an eyeshadow palette, and 3 different lip kits. So we are gonna try it all today, hopefully. So the eyeshadow palette comes in a little sleeve like this, and you just slip it out. It's very nice, the compass and that in the middle. And it's just called KASH Beauty Secret Treasure Eyeshadow Palette. I like this, like the plastic that actually protects the shadows is actually stuck in the packaging and you get to peel it off. That's really cool. So that is what all the shades look like. Very me. I love these types of shades. There is a couple of sort of cooler toned browns, there's some warmer toned browns, there's a black, there's a couple of shimmers. I will swatch this on my arm and I'll throw up the swatches so you can see them. It's got a really nice big mirror in it. So it is cruelty free and it is vegan as well, so that's really nice to know. The lips come in a little box like that, little drawer, so it slides out. They are a lipstick and a liner, so you get the liner, the lipstick, that's the packaging of the lipstick. It just says KASH Beauty on the bottom. It's got gold detailing with a black square component, and that is the shade of that. I'm going to put up swatches of these shades as well. Obviously I'm going to swatch them on my lips but in this video, but I'll throw up actual arm swatches of them as well. And they're a magnetic closure. I don't know if you can. That's really cool. I really like those. Ooh, I really don't know what I'm going to do here. Maybe do like a halo eye or something like that. Okay, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go into Script, which is the lightest brown in the palette. So far so good. I have no complaints. Absolutely no complaints. Beautiful eyeshadow. Lovely shade. I just really said lovely, didn't I? Blends really nicely. No problems at all. I really like that. I like that shade. Winner, winner, chicken dinger. Chicken dinger? What's a dinger? Okay, I'm going to take Tomb, which is kind of more warm toned. It's over here. Beautiful. Okay. We have Gemstone, Treasure and Tarnish, which are the 3 shimmery metallic shades. I think I'm going to go into Gemstone, which is the more sort of rose goldy one. There's like a rose gold, a gold, a yellow gold and a copper kind of colour, I would say. I am going to go in with a brush first just to see. Okay, it can definitely be picked up with a brush. There's a little bit of fallout when you do it with the brush, but it's not too bad. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I like that. It's not too heavy. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. So I'm gonna just do underneath my eyes. Okay, overall, love. Oh, I mean, I assume that the other browns are gonna work just the same as these ones, but I can't fault this. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. This gets a massive thumbs up from me. Okay, so we're gonna move on quickly and swiftly. I'm gonna finish up a little bit of other stuff like liner and stuff like that, waterline, a little bit of mascara, and then we're gonna jump onto these bad boys. Okay, so I quickly just cut them all just to save time, really, and I'm gonna go probably in line from like most dramatic to least dramatic. I am going to use my blush glue Okay, so this is Daggers. Okay, these are not for the faint of heart. This is Daggers. Wow. I mean, I really like their effect. They are so light, it's unbelievable. Like a lash like this, I thought I'd be like this and I couldn't actually see. But these are, oh, look at them. They're gorgeous. Like, I don't even know, like, I don't even know what to say about them. Just look. But I like the edges of them. I like how they're like dagger edges. They're really cool. I really like them. And they're not weighty at all. Like you can barely feel that they're there. I really like that. Okay, so we're gonna go on to the next pair now, which is Rich. Okay, so this is Rich, or these are Rich. These have a really, really thick band on them. I'm only wearing a liner lash glue and it's not enough to hold these on properly. So you would need like a full proper lash glue, like a duo glue like this. I just don't want to do it because I've got another set to try on and I don't want to get covered in lash glue. So they are on, but if I was to jump up and down, I don't think they would stay on. Just because the band on these is so super thick that they just want to pop up. I think like with a couple of wears with normal glue, you could probably use them with this glue. Looking at them, they're not actually that bad because they're nice and fluffy. So, you know, I would say quite a glamorous look they would go with, but they're not crazy over the top. I'm looking at my viewfinder just to see if it was coming across on camera. See how they're just, when you've got sort of like eyeshadow on, you can see it's just got that really fluffy appearance. Third and final pair. And this would be Elsie. Or these would be Elsie even. So these are much lighter. They have a much thinner band, very much more my style. These are just lovely. They're really lightweight. They're all really lightweight. But yeah, no, I think that these ones are definitely my favorite. I really like these. So I'm impressed with most of them. So yeah, something for everybody there. They all have black bands. Like I say, they're sort of like a thin, medium and thick. So whatever your look calls for or whatever the mood you're in. They are all very big, I will say. None of them I would call really natural. So before this video is a million years long, we're gonna move on to the lips. So I'm gonna use the Rose Nude first. So this is what the lip liner looks like, and this is what the component looks like for the lipstick. So I'm gonna line my lips. Nice formula, glides on really nicely. This is what the lipstick looks like. It smells like a MAC lipstick, but not as strong. I like that. The lip liner is just a hair darker. Okay, so that is Rose Nude. I would call it almost like an orangey nude. I like the colour. I like it. It's nice. It's pretty. It feels really nice and comfortable on the lips as well. So the next one is Rust Nude. Nice colour. Same smell. Again, lip liner just a bit darker than the actual lipstick. It definitely is a brown nude. It's like a really brown, rusty colour. It's got a really good name. I like that name for it. It suits it really well. I really like that. Another winner. So you wouldn't have to use the corresponding lip liners with it if you didn't want to. So this is True Nude, and I would say that this one would go well with the Rust Nude lip liner as well. I think you could interchange all of them, to be honest. This is a really pretty nude. It is just sort of, it's actually sort of somewhere in the middle of these two, but really nice, really neutral. There's not really much kind of tone pulling it either way. Yeah, I like that. And that's everything, and I really hope that this video didn't take forever. So yeah, overall thoughts are, I like everything. Okay, so I think that is it. Before I start completely rambling, going round and round in circles, I will just say that I think that this is a beautiful collection. If we're to go by this as a starting point, then KASH Beauty is going to be a really nice company to add into the mix of companies. Congratulations to Keilidh. Beautiful collection, and I think that's pretty much it. Did you get this collection? Were you thinking about it? Do you support Keilidh? Let me know in the comment section below. But apart from that, if you enjoyed this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.